Torsional pendulum. Wrought iron connected one end fixed, other end connecting with metallic disc. So this setup is known as for torsional pendulums. Now we find moment of inertia of the metallic disc and rigidity modulus of the wire. Now measure the length of the wire, edge to another edge. For example, this setup's length is 70 centimeters. Here the 10 number of oscillations of the disc corresponding timing period. Similarly, we find 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 60 centimeters and 80 centimeters. Length of the wire fixed and 10 number of oscillations. Got it? 1 number of oscillations. Next we find radius of the disc. Now we find circumference length of the disc. This is one of the method of radius of the disc. The circumference length L is equal to 2 pi r is equal to L by 2 pi. So now the circumference length value is noted by the scale. This value is known as for circumference length. Next we find radius of the wire. First of all, we find a diameter of the wire or thickness of the wire by using the screw gauge. Initially, the screw gauge zero error, zero corrections noted. Then you fixed or find 5 number of places, find thickness of the wire. Finally, so these values are tabulated to calculate the moment of inertia of the disc and rigidity modulus of the wire. Here, the period of oscillations T, I choose first of all the length 40 centimeters, the edge to edge, find 10 number of oscillations, the trial 1, trial 2, got the mean values. The period of oscillations for one oscillation, so divide by 10, so 1.5, so then t square, the L by t square values. L means for 40 into 10 to the minus 2, divide by then t squares. Okay. Then similarly we find for 50 centimeters and 60 centimeters, 70 centimeters and 80 centimeters. Got the mean values for 0.18056 meter second square, seconds per 2. That is known as pi L by t square. So next we find the radius of the wire. Initially we find diameter of the wire using screw gauge. Then screw gauge zero error, zero corrections we noted. In this case for zero error minus 15 deviations and zero corrections is plus 15 into least count. Answer is 0.15 millimeters. Here are the positive values. Then pitch scales reading, head scales reading, and finally observe readings. The correct reading is add 0.15 values. Similarly, find for 5 number of values or readings. Finally, calculate for diameters of the wire is 1.094 10 to the minus 3 meter. Then divide by 2 is known as for radius of the wire, 0.547 10 to the minus 3 meters or millimeters. Next, we measure for radius of the disc that we initially that's values capital R. It's another method for circumference values. In this case, circumference or the measuring length values for 37 centimeters value. So the general formula is circumference length is equal to 2 pi capital R. The capital R is equal to L by 2 pi. In this case, for L is known as for circumference length 37 centimeters divided by 2 into pi 3.14. The answer is 0.05891 radius of the disc. Calculation. The moment of inertia of the disc I is equal to m r square divided by 2. Here m is the mass of the disc, its value is constant, 940 grams. Now we convert it for kilograms. Then capital R value is 0.0581 meter. Substitute the values. Finally got moment of inertia I is equal to 1.6108 to minus 3 kilogram meter square. Next, we find rigidity modulus of the wire. N is equal to 8 by I divided by R power 4 into L by T square. Here the L by T square is tabulated mean values. That's why substituting here 0.18056. The remaining values by 8 by I divided by R power 4. The final answer is the rigidity modulus of the wire N is equal to 8.2635 by 10 to the power plus 10 Newton by meter square. Here we use for after ion the constant value is 8 10 to the power 10 Newton by meter square. They also say